Welcome to ThinManager version 14. Version 14 ships with the all-new ThinManager web browser user interface. This browser-based interface is a read-only version of ThinManager. Users will be able to view asset configuration properties, shadow other terminals, and send terminal commands without the ability to alter the configurations themselves. This provides ThinManager admins with a simplified way to share ThinManager with other team members in a limited fashion. Enabling the web UI is simple. Open your ThinManager server configuration wizard and navigate to the HTTPS server settings window. Check Enable Web Client Endpoints and click Finish. Now you're ready to rock and roll. Let's take a quick walk through the web browser user interface. The login of the UI is linked to the users in your ThinManager configuration. This can be Active Directory users or users created in ThinManager. Once authenticated and logged in, you are presented with the status tab of the ThinManager environment at the server level. In the upper right corner of the web browser interface, you can switch between light and dark viewing mode depending on your preference. The layout of the web browser UI is similar to that of the standard ThinManager graphical user interface. You have a menu tree on the left side and a tabbed menu on the top of the main display area. The left tree shows servers, terminals, display servers, display clients, ThinManager users, ThinManager locations, and even ThinManager events. Selecting any item in the tree, such as display servers, changes the tabs dynamically. In this case, we are presented with the types of display servers we have configured in our ThinManager environment. When you select a specific terminal, there are functionality options available to restart, reboot, power on, power off, disable, and enable the terminal. You can also shadow a terminal just as you can from the ThinManager graphical user interface if shadowing the terminal is enabled. The new ThinManager web browser user interface expands viewability into your ThinManager configuration by providing an easy-to-share web browser version of the ThinManager administrative console. To get started using the new web browser user interface, take a look at our video showing how to enable the ThinManager web browser UI and options to create display clients for use through remote desktop services or containers.